Ever had your toolbox glow on its own when you crack it open in the dark? Sounds wild, right? Well, that's actually happening today. One of the tools in this lineup literally features built-in LED lights. No extra flashlight required. Whether you're repairing your car, tidying your home, or simply arranging your setup like a pro, these tools are made to make life easier, quicker, and more efficient. And believe me, a few of them will catch you off guard. So let's jump into 20 new woodworking tools that you must have to completely transform the way you get things done.
Long hours at work go faster with good music, and Flex nailed that idea with their 24V Stack Pack radio. It's built to deliver crisp, booming sound on site with 2 full-range speakers and a subwoofer. Whether you're blasting rock or tuning into podcasts, it keeps up. The Bluetooth range, up to 150 feet. You can even link 2 radios for stereo surround sound. It's IP64 rated, meaning it's dust and water resistant, so a little dirt or rain won't hurt. Plus, it charges your Flex batteries while playing, keeping your tools and tunes powered all day. And yes, it snaps right onto your Stack Pack system for easy transport. A real Worksite upgrade that brings both productivity and vibes.
Woodworkers and DIYers often need a compact solution that covers both drilling and fastening, and Craig's 20V Ionic Drive Combo Kit delivers exactly that. The half-inch drill measures just 5.9 inches long, yet produces 650 inch-pounds of torque, with a 2-speed gearbox offering 500 RPM for controlled fastening or 2,000 RPM for quick drilling. 20+1 clutch settings help prevent strip screws and surface damage, while the metal ratcheting chuck ensures secure bit retention. The 1/4-inch impact driver is even smaller at 4.4 inches, but packs 2,200 inch-pounds of torque. Assist mode and reverse assist mode reduce screw damage during installation or removal, adding precision to power. Both tools feature LED lights, durable metal chucks, and ergonomic grips for comfort in tight spaces. Ideal for woodworking and general fastening, though heavy concrete or steel jobs call for specialized tools.
Cabinet makers and trim carpenters often need workshop-level precision in places where a full shop setup isn't possible, and that's exactly where the Craig Ionic Drive Plunge Cut Track Saw shines. Its 6-speed brushless motor adapts to different materials, while the blade left design gives right-handed users better visibility and control. The 62-inch God Track, the longest standard track available, handles big crosscuts in a single pass, and the thin kerf 40-tooth carbide blade delivers splinter-free cuts that minimize sanding. Safety is built in with an electronic blade brake, anti-kickback control, and a fully shrouded retracting blade. The bevel adjusts from -1 degree to 47 degrees, making angled cuts simple. Optimized for sheet goods rather than ripping, it's a specialized tool, but for professionals working in tight spaces or on job sites, it dramatically improves workflow accuracy.
Every toolbox needs a reliable drill, and DeWalt's 20V Max XR brushless drill driver quickly earns that spot. Delivering about 25% more power than comparable Milwaukee models, it makes drilling and driving fast and effortless. Dual-speed control gives you 650 RPM for torque-heavy jobs and 2,000 RPM for speed drilling. 20+1 clutch settings help prevent strip screws and surface damage, while the metal ratcheting chuck ensures secure bit retention. Safety is built in with an anti-rotation system that stops the tool if a bit binds. 15 clutch settings prevent overdriving fasteners, and a 70-lumen LED light brightens dark corners so you can keep working with precision. On a single charge, you can drill up to 175 holes, making it ideal for mid-sized projects. Sold as a bare tool, it's a dependable workhorse once paired with DeWalt's 20-volt battery system.
Routing demands consistency and control, and Bosch's GLF 18V-8 Professional delivers both with cordless freedom and corded level performance. Powered by a brushless motor, it maintains constant speed under load, so cutting depth stays stable even through dense material. That translates to cleaner edges, smoother grooves, and professional quality results every time. A smart cooling ventilation system keeps the tool from overheating during long sessions, letting you work comfortably without interruptions. The improved clamp system with a metal sleeve extends collet life, making this router a long-term investment that rewards careful use. At just 18V, it's compact yet powerful, ideal for edge trims, deep profiles, and precision joinery. For woodworkers who rely on routing regularly, this is the cordless solution that finally matches the promise of corded reliability with modern mobility. Woodworkers often struggle with bulky saws when making quick crosscuts, but Ryobi's 18V 1 Plus circular saw solves that problem with lightweight, one-handed operation. Perfect for tight spaces or overhead work, it cuts through 2x lumber effortlessly and delivers over 300 cuts per battery charge. The 0 to 45-degree bevel adjustment adds versatility for angled projects, while the compact design reduces fatigue during extended use. Unlike many cordless saws that leave users chasing battery life or fighting underpowered motors, this model balances runtime and cutting strength. As part of Ryobi's massive 1 Plus ecosystem, compatible with 300-plus tools, your batteries work across the lineup, adding real value. Whether you're in the shop, on a job site, or tackling homeowner projects, this circular saw combines portability, simplicity, and performance in a way that makes sense for everyday woodworking tasks. Festool's reputation for detail shows in the HKC 55K, and cordless saw engineered for precision and safety. Its brushless EC Tech motor spins at 5,200 RPM, powered by an 8.0 AH battery pack that delivers corded-level cutting performance. Thin-cut blades reduce kerf to just 1.6 millimeters, saving material and extending battery life with each pass. Safety is front and center with kickback stop, which actively prevents bind and throw incidents, while the pendulum hood, remote, and spring-assisted plunge cut function make cross-cutting comfortable and controlled. Whether you're on a roof or working at ground level, the saw provides the flexibility pros need. Paired with the FSK cross-cutting guide rail, it transforms into a mobile system capable of precise angled cuts anywhere. For professionals, it combines serious power with workshop-grade accuracy in a portable package.
For woodworkers who need full router capability without the cord, Makita's 40V Max XGT plunge router delivers serious power in a lighter package. With 2.25 HP output, it cuts up to 260 linear feet per charge, real runtime for real projects, while weighing up to 30% less than corded models. The plunge capacity reaches 3/8 of an inch, giving fine depth adjustment for precision joinery. A soft start ensures smooth, controlled startups, while the soft brake prevents material damage when shutting down. Built on a durable aluminum base, it offers accuracy and long-term reliability. The AWS wireless system connects via Bluetooth to compatible dust extractors, eliminating cords and activating collection only when needed. For professionals tackling heavy routing tasks, this tool combines corded-level performance with cordless freedom, making it a powerhouse solution for serious woodworking. Flush trim bits are essential for pattern work, but standard sizes struggle in tight inside corners. Woodpecker's Ultra Shear 3/16 micro-bearing flush trim bits solve that problem with a compact diameter designed for fine detail. Instead of a single pilot, they use dual ball bearings that glide smoothly around intricate shapes, giving secure purchase against your template. These are genuine ball bearings, not brass bushings, so they roll cleanly and deliver the precision you need. Spiral cutting geometry slices fibers cleanly and directs chips away from the cut line, improving accuracy and finish. Available in cut lengths of 3/8 of an inch, 9/16, and 3/4 of an inch, they cover a range of applications from delicate inlays to detailed boxwork. Made in Ohio from micro-grain carbide, ground with ultra-fine wheels, they reflect true American quality and craftsmanship for demanding woodworkers. Accurate measurements are the backbone of woodworking, and Woodpecker's Calzilla turns their precision rules into powerful calipers. The system uses jaws that mount with 2 machine screws into pre-threaded awls on any Woodpecker's rule. The fixed jaw aligns perfectly at 0, while the sliding jaw glides on UHMW strips and locks securely with a Delrin mechanism that won't mar the anodized aluminum. Inside measuring tips match the outside jaws exactly, so you can measure grooves and cut matching tongues with confidence. For layout work, the included hole center attachments clamp to the jaws, letting you measure center-to-center distances between holes with pinpoint accuracy. Every piece is machined and inspected in Ohio to tight tolerances, reflecting true American craftsmanship. For demanding woodworkers chasing flawless joinery, CalZilla adds capability and precision that elevate everyday measuring tasks.
Not every table saw has to dominate your shop. Sometimes the smartest choice is the one that balances muscle with mobility. Skill's 15-amp job site table saw proves it. While the listed 4600 RPM, tested at 4200, isn't headline-grabbing, torque tells the real story. This saw handled 3/8-inch plywood smoothly and cut through 5/8-inch stock with ease. With a full-size 10-inch blade, it tackles boards up to 3 inches thick, and its 25.5-inch rip capacity covers most project needs. Unlike budget saws with flimsy rails, Skill's rack and pinion fence makes rip cuts quick to set up and precise to execute. The foldable legs may look light, but their cambered design creates a wide, stable footprint. Folded up, the saw is compact enough to store on garage shelving, solving the space hog problem of traditional table saws. Power and precision don't always come in massive packages. This portable 10-inch table saw proves it. Running at 3500 RPM, it balances torque and control, ripping 2x6 lumber without hesitation while still producing smooth crosscuts in 3/4-inch plywood. With a generous 32 1/2-inch rip capacity, it handles wide sheet boods with ease. Adjustments are intuitive thanks to well-machined parts. The rack and pinion miter fence dials in precise cuts, and the blade height wheel operates smoothly for accurate miter settings. While the stock miter gauge could be sturdier, upgrading is simple. Despite its larger footprint, portability is excellent. The Bosch 10-inch portable table saw collapses with a foot pedal, and large wheels with never-flat tires make it easy to roll around the yard. Assembly and calibration take about 45 minutes, but once set up, this saw delivers a strong mix of power, precision, and mobility.
Once your wood is plain smooth, the next challenge is sanding complex shapes without swirl marks or uneven finishes. That's where Festool Granite Profile Abrasives shine. Designed specifically for precision surface prep on intricate profiles, they feature a soft foam backing with a 1/2-inch layer of flexible polyurethane that molds perfectly to contours, edges, and decorative details like moldings and spindles. Unlike rigid sanding pads, this conforming design delivers aggressive sanding power while maintaining even pressure across raised panels and curved surfaces. Available in medium, fine, and superfine grits, they work equally well on wood, paint, plastics, acrylics, and fillers. The high-performance Granite abrasive ensures fast, consistent results, while the optimized dust extraction hole pattern keeps your workspace cleaner. Compatible with Festool Random Orbit, Delta Finish, and Orbital sanders, these abrasives make precision sanding effortless. Fine, invisible dust is one of the biggest hazards in woodworking, settling everywhere and creating health risks long after the tools are put away. The Festool Cisair filter solves this problem by capturing particles your dust extractor misses, actively cleaning ambient air with a powerful 400 CFM airflow. It delivers 3 complete air changes per hour in spaces up to 613 square feet, keeping workshops clear and breathable. Portable and job site ready, the unit weighs just 22 pounds and comes in a compact sustainer format with an integrated handle for easy transport. The intuitive touch control panel works even with gloves or dirty hands, while 2 fan speeds let you choose between eco mode for efficiency or maximum mode for aggressive circulation. Lightweight, practical, and effective, the Cisair filter is a smart addition to any workspace where clean air matters. Edge profiles, chamfers, and decorative routing usually demand stationary equipment, but this cordless router changes that game. The MFKC 700 offers desktop-level versatility in a portable system with a long table support and perfectly positioned handle for safe, balanced guidance. Depth adjustment accurate to 1/10 of a millimeter ensures flawless results, while its universal interface accepts multiple router tables for rounding, profiling, rebating, grooving, and flush routing. Tables can be mounted horizontally or vertically at 0 or 1.5 degree tilts, giving unmatched flexibility. A brushless motor with temperature monitoring extends service life, and the quick spindle stop makes bit changes fast.
Edge trimming on cabinets, countertops, or flooring can be messy and time-consuming. The OFKC 500 cordless edge router makes it smooth and precise. Lightweight and well-balanced, it stays steady during long sessions, while the guide rail system ensures straight, professional-looking cuts every time. Quiet operation and low vibration reduce fatigue, and the cordless drive adds agility for tricky corners or tight spaces. Whether cabinetry, flooring, or detailed woodworking, this router delivers clean, consistent results with less stress.
Drilling in tight spaces or on uneven surfaces doesn't have to be a struggle. The MB40 mobile drilling attachment transforms your Festool drill into a portable drilling station, delivering precision anywhere you need it. With adjustable stops and depth settings up to 50 millimeters, readable in both millimeters and inches, you get consistent accuracy hole after hole. Whether vertical, end face, or repeat drilling, this compact unit handles it all, even on walls, floors, or ceilings. Quick setup and easy mobility keep workflow smooth, while integrated dust extraction maintains a cleaner workspace. Ergonomic design reduces fatigue, giving you more control and longer working sessions without strain.
When it comes to heavy-duty support, the Bora Workhorse folding sawhorses are in a league of their own. With a 1,350-pound capacity per sawhorse, 2,700 pounds combined, they can handle even the toughest tasks. Setup is fast and hassle-free thanks to a single release latch and gravity-assisted deployment, making them 10 times quicker than standard sawhorses. The durable steel leg latches create a sturdy A-frame without needing to secure each leg manually. These sawhorses aren't just strong, they're versatile too. Pre-drilled 2x4 brackets let you connect multiple units to build a solid, portable workbench. And when you're done, the legs fold neatly inside for easy storage and transport. Whether you're tackling big projects or need a reliable, on-the-go solution, the Bora Workhorse delivers unmatched strength, speed, and convenience. It's a must-have for anyone serious about woodworking. When precision matters most, the Lexivon aluminum miter saw protractor is the tool you need. Crafted from CNC-machined anodized aluminum alloy steel, this protractor ensures accurate measurements for flawless cuts every time. Its internal Teflon O-ring mechanism allows for smooth and precise reading of inside and outside corners, taking the guesswork out of your cuts. Stronger than plastic alternatives, its quarter-inch thick aluminum body guarantees durability, making it ideal for crown molding, trim work, and carpentry. Achieve perfect alignment with the Motivera 100-foot green cross-line laser level. This compact, lightweight tool projects a 110-degree horizontal and vertical line, making it ideal for precision woodworking or home improvement. With 4 adjustable brightness levels, the green beam is 4 times more visible than red lasers, ensuring accurate measurements even in outdoor conditions. The self-leveling feature ensures flawless alignment within 4 degrees, while the manual mode offers more control for angled projects. Plus, the magnetic bracket allows easy setup on any surface. This laser level is dust and water resistant, built for durability, and designed to handle any environment.
And that's a wrap. 20 new woodworking tools that you must have to make your work quicker, smarter, and simpler. From cleaning to cutting, organizing to finishing, each one adds something new to your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more incredible tools heading your way.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.